One day, a group of stats students got together to come up with ideas for a project.
Wait, how does the Santa Fe down? Like the ones
Just that big hype.
the one where you have like multiple seats and everyone's pedaling?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a
But not in the ocean.
It quickly became apparent, though, that not all the group members had their heads in the game.
Let's go, the thing with the ocean! Hurry up, Nomar!
Of course, Trump is the God Emperor. Okay, I'm on my way right now, VP Pence.
For our stats project yet?
Why did we even let them in our group, Sarah?
I don't know. They're all so chatty. Like Christian's always on the phone. Nomar and Michelle always chatting it up. I bet they're gonna miss their exits.
I bet Christian's gonna miss his exit more often than Nomar and Michelle will.
You know what? I think we just found our stats project.
And, surely enough, the stats gods granted them a problem in need of solving.
Researchers want to determine whether drivers are significantly more distracted while driving when using a cell phone than when talking to a passenger in the car. In a study involving 48 people, 24 people were randomly assigned to drive in a driving simulator while using a cell phone. The remaining 24 were assigned to drive in the driving simulator while talking to a passenger in the simulator. Part of the driving simulation for both groups involved asking drivers to exit the freeway at a particular exit. In the study, 7 of the 24 cell phone users missed the exit, while 2 of the 24 talking to a passenger missed the exit.
You're right!
Are you ready to do this ritual? For the statistics gods, specifically to deity Hang.
I'm ready.
We're going to find the proportions that we will be testing.
Now, Sarah, don't get ahead of yourself. First, the stats gods need to know, would this be classified as an experiment or an observational study? Provide an explanation to support your answer. In a moment of pure genius, Hannah decided to drop in the experiment stone because the researchers imposed treatments by randomly assigning drivers to the 2 different conditions, thus making it an experiment.
Oh, there's something bubbling.
The gods have been appeased.
Do you feel that?
I feel it.
It's statistics!
It was in this moment that they were armed with the knowledge to state the null and alternative hypotheses of interest to the researchers.
The gods have given us the answer. P cell, the deities tell us, is the proportion of drivers who miss an exit while talking on the phone, and P pass is the proportion of drivers who miss the exit while talking to a passenger.
Wait, I'm getting something from the great deity Hang.
What is the deity Hang telling you?
He's telling me that the null hypothesis is that proportion of people missing exits on cell is equal to the proportions of people missing because of a passenger, and that the null... Oh my god, the alternative is different. P cell is greater than P pass.
Amazing!
The gods have given us our answers.
Thank you.
Great God Hang, we thank you.
Now that our researchers had a problem and hypotheses, it was time to collect data from the subjects in the driving simulator.
Dude, the wall's gonna be great, alright? We're gonna dip it in gold. We're gonna make Mexico pay for all of it, okay? Oh shoot, I missed the exit.
I think they just have for 2 people there, and like, we only
Okay,
need
well,
to.
whatever.
Wait, this is a turn. This is the exit.
Oh yeah. So anyway,
Before our team can perform a test of significance using our data and hypotheses, we must first confirm that the conditions for that test have been met. In order for a 2-sample z-test to be appropriate, the samples must be independent and random or randomly assigned, and there must be large sample sizes such that there are at least 10 successes and failures for each proportion. It is stated that the treatments are randomly assigned to the drivers, so the first condition is met. However, the number of successes for cell phone users who miss the exit is 7, and for passengers it is 2, which are both values smaller than 10, so the large sample condition is not met in this situation.
Let's check back in with our stats team to see how things are coming along.
Do you guys know if Michelle could swim?
I don't think so. Why?
Because I lost her at the Santa Fe Dam.
That dumb H-Knot.
Now we're down 2 group members. I had to sacrifice Hannah to deity Hang in order to have the stats gods bestow upon us a question, a mission, almost.
The stats gods used an advanced statistical method for small samples to test our hypotheses. They bestow upon us a p-value of 0.0683. Yeah, 0.0683. Interpret in mortal language what this p-value measures in the context of this study and state the conclusion to be made based on this divine value of p.
How can we interpret something so otherworldly, a script so divine, so...
You dumb confidence intervals. If null hypothesis P cell equal P pass were true, the probability of observing this data, or more extreme, would be 6.83%. due to a high p-value of 0.0683 over an assumed alpha of 0.05, we fail to reject the null. There is no statistically significant evidence that the alternative hypothesis, that drivers are significantly more distracted while driving when using a cell phone than when talking to a passenger. The real conclusion here is we're going to make America safe again. We're going to make America work again. We're going to make America great again.
Oh, this is gonna be weird. That was uneventful. Is it gonna pop? Ah! I broke the lid! I'm stressed.
Zero fucking fantastic. Right. Oh fuck! No wait, fuck, I can't say fuck.